Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Walmart on 4K streaming stick, which is essentially a replacement for the Chromecast with Google TV, and I have to say, it's been a long time coming, but it's finally here, and it's absolutely amazing. So, let's dive right in and take a closer look at the design and build of this device. The on 4K streaming stick is a tiny little device that's reminiscent of a Roku stick, with an HDMI plug on one end and a USB-C port on the other. It's super compact and lightweight, making it perfect for hiding behind your TV. The device also comes with a short HDMI extender, which is really useful if you have a hard time fitting the stick into your TV's HDMI port. The setup process for this device is also really straightforward. It uses the new Google TV setup flow that was launched last year, and it has full Gemini support out of the box, which is great to see. In terms of specs and performance, the on 4K streaming stick is powered by a decent processor, and it has 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage, which is pretty standard for a streaming device of this type. The performance is solid, it's a whole lot faster than my old Chromecast, and it handles 4K streaming with ease. One of the new features of this device is the support for Gemini, which is Google's new performance optimization platform. It's designed to improve the overall performance and efficiency of Android TV devices, and it's great to see that Walmart has included it in this device. There have been some rumors and leaks surrounding this device, with some people speculating that it would be a direct replacement for the Chromecast with Google TV, and it looks like those rumors were true. The expected release date for this device was a few weeks ago, and it's now available for purchase at Walmart, both in-store and online, for a price of $39.88, which is a really competitive price point. So, what's my verdict on this device? I have to say, I'm really impressed. It's a great little streaming stick that's perfect for secondary rooms or for anyone who wants a compact and affordable streaming solution. The performance is solid, the design is great, and the price is very competitive. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.